It Durban Network. Eduze kwami usiphumelele.
Mbambo.
Isayoni
senkosi.
Isayoni senkosi.
Isayoni lesi.
Wow. Namhlanje ubekade nihlanganisile uMr Mabu kakhulu ANC in particular for irespond ye meeting nomhlangano wahlala last year. Uyizwe kanjani respond? Are you happy?
Ngicabanga ukuthi into abalekile ukuthi makukhona okukhulunyiwe kuphinde kuhlanganwe futhi kutshengise ukuthi kucatshangiwe. I think ikona ngikuncome kakhulu ukuthi after kuhlanganiwe balithathile ithuba bashiya yonke into yabo ukuthi bazothi nosezwa base bethembisa lokho abakuthembisile. Isithembiso ke sihle ngento eyodwa ukuthi wena othembisayo usukulala ukuthi uyenza yini. I believe ukuthi abakukhulumile kuhle siyakujabulela sesilinde ukuthi kuzokwenzeka yini because ziningi into ezinhle ezicabangekayo kodwa uthola ukuthi amandla ukuthi kwenzeke agcine zingenzekanga. Umkhulu kwami ukuthi kwenzeke leli lizwe leli silifuna lilihle izwe lethu izwe lenjabulo izwe lesibusiso so kakhulu nje sibonga uNkulunkulu. Yes.
Timing abanye bathi timing towards ama elections ekuqhamuka into kanje beyihlalele le respond olala
ngavamisa ukuthi nginganaki lokho sidalwa sami nje angisiyena umuntu okhuluma ngetiming ngibe ngingaphethe imali. Because awukwazi ukukhuluma ngokuthi ilesi sikhathi kube isiphi kanti vele obusilindele sing you know ngiyanqena ukuthi ngingayitshela ukuthi itiming because iqiniso loNkulunkulu lithi ngoba bakushilo angikwazi ukucomplaina sengazi ukuthi abakwenzanga ngayifundisa ukungabi negative so I believe ukuthi ngoba bakushilo so bona ukuthi bazokwenza yini okuhamba phambili ukuthi bakwenze bekwenzela ukuthi impilo yephambili ngoba noma bekuthiwa kuzoba nama elections akuyohlala kunama elections whoever is going to work le mali akazobe itholile esebenza ngoba umsebenza ngithi ngiyakholelwa ukuthi imphefumulo azobe ilaphile izobe ilapheke forever. Mhlamba siwabongeni wona ama elections ukuthi eze ukuze nabo balithole ithuba lokuthi beze mhlambe besidinga wona ama elections eze
so they are a blessing in disguise.
Sibonga ama elections Nkosi yami I blessing.
Umbuzo ogcina kakhulukazi kunama projects we art akhona uthola ukuthi mhlambe awalitholi uxhaso siyazi with a lot of projects asemalokishini emakhaya uthola ukuthi uxhaso abalitholi mhlambe yini ongayisho ukugqugquzela labo ekufanele basize ukuthi ama projects enze
lo muntu omlindile ukuthi azokusiza uwena.
Exactly.
Njengoba uyithi sikhona umuntu oyofika yokungqongqozela eminyango ethile ungasabeli kude hamba kusuka manje nje you are the person that you've been waiting for.
Exactly.
Uyena lo bomlindile kahle nje mina ngilo muntu ebengimlindile sonke lesikhathi musu complain uhleli ungasabeli kude futhi hamba nje ufuna ukukhuluma isiZulu nje uthi ngizela ngenza ukuthi nokuthi present yourself well zihloniphe zithobe bese ulinde isikhathi sakho. God is with you.
Thank you.
Uhloniphe kakhulu abantu abanetalent bagcina bengahloniphi. Inhloniphi ihamba phambili. I character goes a long way. Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.